Shri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 6th Subject Mathematics.
Good morning students. Already we complete exercise 1.1. Today we see some example and exercise problems. First sum, population of Sundarnagar was 2,35,471 in the year 1991. In the year 2001, it was found to be increased by 72,958. What was the population of the city in 2001? Solution. Population of the city in 2001 equal to population of the city in 1991 plus increase in population. Okay. 2001 ஓட பாப்புலேஷன் நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதுக்கு என்ன செய்யணும் அப்படின்னா 1991 பாப்புலேஷனையும் ப்ளஸ் நெக்ஸ்ட் இன்க்ரீசிங் ஆன பாப்புலேஷனையும் ஆட் பண்ணணும். ஸோ தீஸ் டூ நம்பர்ஸ் ஆர் ஆடட், we get an answer. 8 plus 1 9, 7 plus 5 12, carry 1, 1 plus 9 10, 10 plus 4 14, carry 1, 1 plus 5 6, 6 plus 2 8, 7 plus 3 10, carry 1, 1 plus 2 3. Okay, population of the city in 2001 was 3,08,429. Exercise 2.2 second sum. Exercise 1.2 second problem. Segar is a famous cricket player. He has so far scored 6,980 runs in test matches. He wishes to complete 10,000 runs. How many more runs does he need? Observe this question. Segar already scored 6,980 runs. He wishes to complete 10,000 runs. How many runs to need 10,000 runs? What is the operation we have to perform here? Subtraction. Solution. Number of runs Segar scored 6,980. Number of runs he wants to complete 10,000 runs. So more runs he need. 10,000 ரன்னுக்கு அவருக்கு எவ்வளோ ரன்ஸ் தேவை அப்படின்றது கொஸ்டின். ஸோ 6,980 subtract from 10,000. So 0 minus 0 0. We get 1 10 from this number. 10 minus 8 2. 9 minus 9 0. 9 minus 6 3. We get answer. He need 3,020 more runs to score 10,000. Third sum. Griti bookstore sold books worth rupees 2,85,891 in the first week of June, and books worth rupees 4,768 in the second week of the month. How much was the sale for the 2 weeks together? In which week was the sale greater and by how much? First week they got rupees 2,85,891. Second week they got rupees 4,768. They got more. Second week rupees 4,768. How much more? We find the answer. Okay. Solution. Sold books in second week rupees 4,768. Sold books in first week rupees 2,85,891. 2 weeks sales together. What is the operation you have to perform here? Together means addition. So here add these two numbers. 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 6 15, carry 1, 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 8 16. Carry 1. Here 1 plus 5, 6. Then 0 plus 8, 8. 4 plus 2, 6. Okay. 2 weeks sales together rupees 6,86,659. Clearly, second week sale greater by how much? In first week, rupees 2,85,891 is subtract from 4,768. So, 8 minus 1 is 7, 16. Here, 6. 6 is smaller than 9. So, borrow 110 from 7. So, here is 16. 16 minus 9, 7. Here, 6. 6 is smaller than 8. So, borrow 110 from 4. Here is 16. 16 minus 8, 8. Here is 9. 9 minus 5, 4. Here is 9. 9 minus 8, 1. Here is 3. 3 minus 2, 1. We get answer 1,14,877 rupees. Fourth one. Find the difference between the greatest and the least number that can be written using the digit 6, 2, 7, 4, 3, each only once. Write the descending order, you will get the greatest number. Write the ascending order, you will get the least number. Solution. Given digits are 6, 2, 7, 4, 3. Greatest number, arrange descending order. 7, 6, 4, 3, 2. You get a least number, write it ascending order. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. You have to perform now subtraction. So, 12 minus 7 is 5. Here 2 is smaller than 6. So, 12 minus 6 is 6. Then here is 3. 3 is smaller than 4. So, 110 borrow. 13. 13 minus 4 is 9. Here is 5. 5 minus 3 is 2. 7 minus 2 is 5. Difference is 52,965. Do the homework sum properly. Thank you.